Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off autoplay previews. First let me open Netflix TV app. In this TV app I want to turn off autoplay previews, but you could not find an option to turn off autoplay previews in TV app, but there is a way. First you have to install Netflix app in your mobile phone. Let me open this Netflix app. Then you have to log into same account, then select your profile. Then tap on this My Netflix icon over here. Tap on three lines on top right corner. Go to Manage Profiles. Then select your profile. Go down. Here you can see Autoplay Previews. Here we can turn on or off Autoplay Previews. We can control this at profile level. So when you turn off Autoplay Previews here, it will reflect in your TV app as well, but you have to use the same profile in your TV app. Okay, so this way we can control. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.